It's over 3 years since the August 14 mudslide occurred at the Regent community in Freetown. Thousands of lives were lost with property destroyed on that day. The incident has left lots to be remembered in the lives of school-going pupils with regards to education. It is with this plight that Tacugama Chimpanzee Sanctuary deem it fit to help vulnerable children within the said community. Explaining the rationale of the donation, Bala Amarasekaran, the CEO, founder and director of Tacugama Chimpanzee Sanctuary, he says the process has been going on over the past years involving different schools within the community.
This is an annual event. We've been doing this to the 13 schools we work around the sanctuary. We are a conservation organization and a chimpanzee sanctuary, but we know that conservation cannot be practiced if we don't touch the hearts and souls of the people around us. And that is one of the reasons that we have started this scholarship program for the deserving kids, and it's been running for a long time. And we made it into an annual event after the landslide here. There are a lot of environmental issues, and I think we need to catch the kids early so they begin to understand about these problems, and probably they will do something better than us adults in terms of taking care of this environment. Yes, there are a lot of kids, especially the girl child, they don't have the means to come to school, or sometimes the boys gets promoted and the girls don't get something. So we thought it has to be inclusive, but not leaving the boys out, but they are also there. But we really do a complete analysis of the kids here to see who come from a background where they cannot afford to come to school, and we carefully select these kids. And every year we are giving 8 scholarships at each school, every school that we work. And so together it comes to something around 80 to 85 scholarships every year. And we are very proud that we can continue to do this, and we expect other people who are in a better position than Tacugama to come forward and do even more for these schools.
Giving detailed explanation about the project, Ethel Silla is the communication and education coordinator at Tacugama Sanctuary.
Well, after the mudslide incident really happened, we get some schools, 5 schools where we did work with. We currently work with, and then schools they also been get victims. Some picking them die, some they lost their family members then. So at the end of it all, we decided for say we need to come out and support them picking they have for stay in school. So we've been going around at the schools them, 5 of the schools them from Lagos, we come down to Church of Christ, and we render our support by paying school fees, and also provide bags, uniform, and shoes so then picking their assume. Well, in as much as na bad thing will be happen when I make we stand up so for help the picking them for stay in school, we still encourage them for still learn them book, for study hard, so that all these efforts not go in vain, because if they say learn them book, they end up for be somebody tomorrow and go able for change within the happen safe na the mudslide, and also go able for help the surviving parents them where they are around.
Expressing thanks and appreciation for their tireless effort in contributing to community development, Eleonora Jokomi Metsiga, the head woman, Regent Community, has this to say.
First of all, I'd say a big thank you to Tacugama, and the CEO, na the possible, is so friendly from when they can open this sanctuary now, so it liays with me and it interacts with the community and it helps the community. Me for one, I'm really happy, because most of the other benefits from this thing, so the beneficiaries them, and then they may be affected by the mudslide. And you can imagine, no get mama, no get papa for take care of them. So it's unnecessary say if we help them, they don't become dropouts of the society. It means a lot, because when you see somebody, because I'm a philanthropist, he come, they do anything, and what me want, I want to go appreciate. If other people they can come out, be enjoyed, an individual or come out, can help the other less fortunate ones them. I think so you see one boy in uniform cheering in skin. So that moment when they don't get that bag and then in uniform and it don't change in life already. Because you don't see people working at school and they go, but look at you check, look at you don't see. But in this situation, they don't do something, we don't change that beginning in life today. So I just believe, say, if others they can come on board, she look at one life you touch, it will affect the rest of the community.
Adamo F. Sise, one of the pupils at Sayo Elementary School and also a beneficiary at the donation, welcomes the initiative and feels lucky for our schools to be part of the beneficiary of the donation.
I am in class 6. I wanted to thank you for the gift that you gave us today, because we appreciate so much. We love them. Then some of the people in other schools did not have, but we have, so appreciate you. We bless you. May God give you another one next year. We thank you for that.
Helping those in need is very paramount in fulfilling the will of God and contributing to nation building. Reporting for FTN Top News, I am Mans-Davies.